Do you feel like you have to prove yourself a little bit because you're the youngest with less experience?
Very young at the moment compared to my other colleagues. There is some kind of competition. You don't want to be the slowest. The level is super tough in our category, but also within the team. This year in 2025 has been my first season as a full-time member of a factory team. But also within the team, there's a very, very high level of knowledge about car setup, driver's feedback, and also driver skills. So for sure, you push your own boundaries and yourself, and to bring even more experience and knowledge into your own backpack or suitcase for the future.
It's the first time you arrive on the scene. It's tough for everybody.
How did the contact with Peugeot Sport first, or Team Peugeot TotalEnergies?
I still remember exactly the day. That was when I was going to have the rookie test with Peugeot back in 2022. The workshop of Cool Racing in France, doing a seat fit for the LMP2 car, but somehow it went well, and they gave me the opportunity to drive the car out there on the track. It's super, super, super intense. You need to take a lot of quick decisions without making any mistakes and driving as quickly as possible. You need to navigate your own way through the traffic.
The pressure on.
Battling with other cars in our own category, fencing off people from behind and also attacking the people ahead.
Brilliant move there.
What goes through your mind during a pit stop?
The whole team is kind of preparing for that super fast tire change, which only takes 10 to 12 seconds. Easy amount of lap time to gain, but also very, very easy to make a mistake and lose a huge amount of track time. It needs a lot of focus and precision, but at the same time, for us drivers, it's a small break.
What kind of strategic mistakes can cost a team the race?
When we go racing, there's so many different rules and speeding in pit lane and stuff, which are easy to get trapped into. The punishment for making a mistake is time penalty during the race, and this is something that can easily cost a race result. And it's okay to get frustrated as well, but as long as you're able to control yourself and stay humble and take a deep breath, you know your marks, you know exactly what you need to do.